This part's kind of quick. This whole page was designed to kind of be a group project. And the idea was, is I've got these grouped together groups of reactions, and when you're not used to looking at reactions, they probably look all crazy and they don't seem like they have anything in common. But the idea is you'd work with the person next to you and you'd try to look for these hints that are in these little A, B, C's, and D's, these little hints to find what they had in common. So we'll just be partners, me and you. So we're going to look for reactions that react with oxygen. So it's got our oxygen in it, and they all make the same thing. So let's see. In this group, it can't be this group. They aren't even reacting with oxygen. So there's one of these, but not all of them are. You're looking over here, and looky here. Oxygen, 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 oxygen. They're all reacting, and wow, look, they do all make the same thing. Let's see, what's it called? Combustion. It's called combustion. So you want to write that this group is combustion. So now we're going to look for something else. Let's see, we're going to switch. So now we're looking at that they have the same number of reactants. Well, I don't know. Most of these have the same number. What does that mean? Same number is decomposition. I'm going to rephrase this this is the point at which I'd stand up and I'd be like, okay, wait. The same type. And that there's only one type of reactant. Oh, that makes a little more sense, doesn't it? One type of reactant. Okay. So on the left side, look, like it's not these guys, because like those are two different types and two different. Here, look here. We've only got one type of reactant. Like I know it says a 2 in front of the NaO, but that's like it's only one type of thing that's doing that reaction. Okay, so what are those called? We're going to go up to the top. What are they? They're called, let's see, decomposition, okay? Decomposition. All right, so next section, we're going to look, and we're going to see same number of products. I'm going to raise my hand and ask her if she meant the same type, or that there was only one type. Oh, yeah, she did. She just came over and said she meant for that to be one type of products. Oh, I can't believe she messed that up. My goodness. So only one type of products. Okay, that's for sure. These kind of look like opposites, don't they? All right. So these we're called synthesis. All right. So now what about our next one? So we're looking for reaction has one, I think that's supposed to be or, one or, two reactants, that's just an element. And it ends with one, I bet that's or, two products, that's also just an element. So elements of the last ones, the ones that have elements. Oh, wait. I think I see it. Okay, so right here, that's just an element, and that's just an element. Oh, yeah, that's just elements. Element. There it is. Oh, yeah, okay, so this is called a single displacement. Okay, cool. All right. And then, so the last one has to be that other thing. Let's see, they swap elements, two compounds to make two compounds. So, yeah, that's two types of compounds. And it makes two types of things, I guess. Okay, yeah, so we're going to call that a double displacement. I guess I can kind of see they have some things in common. I guess. I don't know why this matters. Okay, so now I'm stop being your partner. So what I'll say is, the reason this matters is because, for example, the reactions we've just been practicing balancing are these guys. These guys are really the main kinds to practice balancing. In those three cases, you can also predict the products. The synthesis and decomposition can be harder to predict the products for. So we don't have you predicting products for those guys. But we do have you predicting products for these guys. Okay, I guess before we have to do that, though, we have a few comments. Okay, there are some subcategories of double displacement. So there's a precipitation and an acid base. So precipitation reactions in chemistry means solid is formed and it's not related to rainfall. Okay. So, okay. And acid bases have acid and base. In general chemistry, an acid has an H and a base has an OH. Okay. Okay, so now it says go back and label the acid base and the precipitation in the double displacement category. Okay, so we're going to double displacement, and first we're going to look for when it makes a solid and call it a precipitation. So look, here's our solids. These are our precipitation reactions. And then where's the one that it says something has an, oh, check this out. Here's our H, and here's our OH. So this is our acid. This is our base. So this is an acid base. Okay. So within double displacement, we have precipitations and we have acid bases. You can write water as that or that. Okay, but what I'm going to tell you guys is that HOH is easier for balancing